Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube Shorts continuously or having an autoplay for your YouTube Shorts. And basically this method will only work for uh, the web browser. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically I'm just going to the end of this short and basically we'll have the shorts that's not auto scroll. And basically there is no direct way to use it, but there is a third-party application that you can use or a web extension that you can use that would add this feature to your uh, YouTube. And the name of this feature or this app is called Auto YouTube Shorts Scroller Extension. And you will be able to get it from the web store or Chrome store shorts. So I will just refresh so we can have the changes applied. And I'm just going to hold on and go to the end. And as you can see, it's now scrolling automatically. And basically, to get your extension, you will need just to go to Manage Extension and go to the Chrome Web Store and basically go here and search for Auto Scroller or Shorts Auto Scroller, etc. So here you will find the Auto YouTube Shorts Scroller and you click on Add to Chrome and basically you will be able to have your uh, these extension into your YouTube website. And first, make sure to have it as follow as stop and make sure it is enabled. And when you have it, you will need just to refresh the page so you will have the settings or these changes to be applied into your YouTube page. And of course, those are just some shortcuts to be able to enable it and disable it whenever you want. So as you can see, we can just go here and you can try to use Shift D or anything that you would like to toggle these shortcuts, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.